The Query Builder offers two very useful methods, which are the whereNot and orWhereNot methods. They are mostly used to exclude certain data from the query result. Let's delete our entire if statement and let's define a new variable called posts. And let's set it equal to the DB facade. The table is equal to posts. And let's chain the whereNot method to it. And let me outline it on the line below. What the whereNot method essentially does is adding a basic where clause to the query, but it will exclude the specified value. Let's say that we're going to retrieve all posts except those where the minutes to read is equal to 1. And we need to get the values because it needs to return back an array. Now we also need to output it through array. Inside of the output, you will see that it responded back with an array. Now let's open all the items. Well, not all of them, just a couple of them. You'll see that the minutes to read is not equal to 1 for the first value, not for the second, and also not for the third. And this is happening because the code that we just wrote will retrieve all posts except those with a minimum to read of 1. You could use all comparison operators right here. Let's say that we want to get all values where the minimum to read is greater than 5. In the output, you will see that it returned back with 7 items, and if we open them, you will see that the minutes to read of all of them are all less than 5, because we used the whereNot method. Now the orWhereNot method adds an orWhere clause to the query, but excludes the specified value. This method can be used in combination with the where and whereNot methods to build complex queries. Let's consider an example on how we could use the orWhereNot to the fullest to retrieve all posts where the minimum to read is greater than 5. So let's replace whereNot with where, and let's chain the orWhereNot. The is_published is true. In the output, you will see that it returned back with 9 rows, and if we open a couple of them, you'll see that it has retrieved all posts except those with a status of is_published of true. Both of these methods are used very common and can be used to build complex queries with multiple conditions. The whereNot method adds a basic where clause to the query, but excludes the specified values. And the orWhereNot method adds an orWhere clause to the query, but excludes the specified values.